I forgot my light. See? It's off. No ideas is coming. So let me turn this off. Totally forgot. Hey, what's up everyone? How you doing today? Today we're going to be talking about some of the channels that helped me through my YouTube journey, and I'm sure that it helped me, it will also help you. We're going to be talking about the top 5 channels that you need to start your own YouTube channel, to understand the world of YouTube, to understand how everything works. What do you need to know? What do you need to see? What tools would you like to do? How can you use actually YouTube analytics to help you out? If you're interested in growing your channel, this video is for you. Stay tuned. All right, so if you guys did not subscribe to my channel yet, kindly subscribe. I'm here to help every one of you out in his YouTube journey. I'll teach you what I've learned. I'll show you all the channels. I'm thinking of doing this kind of recommendations that I'm going to be doing every YouTube video that we're going to have. I will let you know what channels that helped me and helped a lot of people. I've been doing YouTube for the past 2 years regularly, but I have been watching YouTube and learning from YouTube for the past 7-8 years. So I collected some data of some channels that really helped me a lot to take the decision and start doing it. So subscribe, and subscribe to our Instagram as well. I'll leave it right there. Now let's start with these channels. The top 5 channels. I'm not gonna mention them in any order. I'm just gonna start them with one of my favorite channels. The channel is called Think Media. Think Media is run by a very nice guy. He's very genuine and he's very informative. And the way I like about this channel that he speaks his mind really nice. He speaks just like us, you know what I'm saying? He talks about everything in details. Everything is caring towards the budget-friendly stuff, and everything is being catered to, I would say, the regular average YouTuber. He's not targeting like very high-end YouTubers or people that actually doesn't really need it that much, but he talks about cheap lighting, cheap cameras, how to start talking about your channel, how to build it, how to use thumbnails, titles, tags, and descriptions. If you did not watch my last video, I'll leave a link here, right there. Oh, right there. I always make this mistake. I don't know why, but it's right there. So I'll leave the card right there. You will see how to actually start uploading your first YouTube video, how to do the steps right there. So what happens with Think Media, the channel, he talks about gear, he talks about cameras, he talks about topics, how you can choose the topics, where you can get your topics from. If you're planning to start a gaming channel, a makeup channel, a vlogging channel, review, unboxing, you name it, he has something for you. So what I would do before you subscribe, you just go check out his channel, go to the videos on his channel and see where are you, because not everyone is starting from scratch. Not every single one is starting from the beginning. Some people are in the middle of the way. They're trying to grow their channel more. Some people are trying to having like hundreds of subscribers. They want thousands. Some people has thousands. They want tens of thousands, like me actually. So yeah, channels keeps growing, and his ideas are really helpful. So I'm sure you guys, if you check it out, it's gonna be so useful to you. The channel number 2 will be Brian G. Johnson. I'll leave the link here. Brian G. Johnson is a very informative kind of person that talks to you about channels. He gives you trials. He gives you experiments that he's done. He gives you how he worked with the algorithm, how he treats the algorithm right. He uses different type of techniques to show you if you use this type of thumbnail versus the other type of thumbnail, which one would create more. He will give you actual results, and he talks about it on and on and on and on to help you elevate your YouTube professionalism. So yeah, This guy is definitely a person that you need to check out. He actually helped me a lot. Some videos I chose some thumbnails, and he was talking about how you can actually change the thumbnail after you upload the video. And I did what he said, and I started playing with the thumbnails, and it actually worked. I had a thumbnail for a video that wasn't really performing so good. When I changed the thumbnail, it started to perform better. People started to have more click-through rate, much better. So it's definitely worth a try to check him out. He's really, really helpful. You're not going to regret that. Third channel that I will be talking about today is vidIQ. If you don't know what vidIQ is a Chrome extension um, application that you download and have it on the Chrome toolbar, and that will give you a lot of helpful tools to know your YouTube progress and other YouTube videos that you're watching progress. For example, I'll show it right here. So you can see actually that there is that blue vidIQ thing here, and this vidIQ part is the part that you're gonna actually see how many viewers are watching this video, how many minutes has been watched. This channel, how big is the channel? How many subscribers the channel of the video that you're watching? How big is that likes? How many likes that this YouTube video has? What's the SEO ranking? What's the tags on it? So this actually not just a YouTube channel. It's an actual Chrome extension. So it's an actual app. But what I like about it also is the actual channel. Every Tuesday they give you some sort of a live video in the morning, and they start giving question and answers, QA type style, and they show you other channels how they're performing. They tell you what do you need to do, what tips, what tricks, what stuff you can need to upgrade your channel. So they're actually really helpful in that part. It actually helps you design your own thumbnails and gives you tips and how to use tags, and they give you suggested tags and recommended tags and descriptions and stuff like that. So it is actually a very, very, very useful kind of channel. All right, moving on to number 4 channel is coming from the same Think Media guys. It's called Video Influencers. This channel, they created it after the Think Media, and it's all about the creators. If it's all about us, if it's all about you, if you want to start, if you want to grow, if you want to maximize your YouTube income and growth, they give you very, very helpful tip of how you can earn actual money on YouTube, how you can gain more subscribers, what topics you can use, what cameras you can use, what the latest equipments, the tech reviews. They talk about everything in details. So this video influencer style of channel, it has the same people behind Think Media, and they're using some type of interview style. They interviews experts in the actual field, and they check with them how to upgrade your channel, how to come up with new ideas, how to do all these beautiful things. All right, so the last channel that we're going to be talking about is actually the YouTube Creator channel. YouTube Creator channel is a channel by YouTube, I would say employees and people that actually work on YouTube, that they give you a lot of good information about YouTube itself. So it's a YouTube Creator Insider. I'll leave you the link right there. You can see that this YouTube Creator channel is giving you actually what's the latest of YouTube. What's YouTube's focusing right now? What is it focusing on algorithm changes? Is it the click-through rate? Is it the views? Is it the audience retention? It talks about a lot of things that has very direct contact with you as a creator or you as a viewer and the actual YouTube itself. So this channel, it actually I gained a lot of information watching this channel on a regular basis, because when you open YouTube Beta, Studio Beta, it's actually there that to tell you what's new on, and they're constantly doing a lot of updates and a lot of stuff coming on the algorithm. So you always need to be updated and knowing exactly what's going on with YouTube. Well, my friends, this is the top 5 channels that I think that helped me through the way, and I'm sure that by watching these channels, needing to know what part of your YouTube journey do you want to be better at, these channels are perfectly good for you. Make sure you check them out. I'll leave the links right there. I would always appreciate you subscribe to gain more. Your support will help me out. Please leave me in the comments here, how do you like the channel? How do you like the topics that we're doing? What questions do you have for us to answer, for me to answer you? I'm ready to answer all your questions. Your support is actually really helping me a lot on this channel. So I'd love to see some comments. I'd love to see some likes, and of course, if you can subscribe, that would be also amazing. Stay tuned, because probably we're gonna be doing every week that YouTube news thing, or the YouTube recommendations. I'm gonna give you the top 5 channels, the top 5 videos for the week, the best videos to watch for this week, the people to follow, people to watch. So stay tuned, because next week we're gonna have something really good for you. Thank you so much, guys. Don't forget, Supercars Kid, Instagram, YouTube with Hans Media. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.